Every teacher has a Chromebook and
Hello,
uses Google
this
Apps for
video
education
provides
on
an
a daily
overview
basis.
of my training
However,
plan
some of the
for a high
teachers lack
school that
experience using
decided on a
touchscreen mobile
one-to-one
devices,
iPad
while the
deployment
whole
program
staff
to support
never
an
worked
engaging
with
and
Google Apps on an
student-centered learning
iPad.
environment. The planning team made a list of goals and learning objectives that will help teachers improve their digital literacy skills and help ease the transition from a traditional learning environment to a one-to-one iPad learning environment. For example, while working with an iPad, teachers will be able to set up student-teacher iPads and create a quiz using Google Forms on an iPad with 100% accuracy. In addition, while working in Google Forms on an iPad, teachers will be able to create and share a quiz with 100% accuracy. The steps necessary to accomplish the training goals requires clear communication between the IT staff and school leaders. Together, the IT team, department supervisor, and administrative leaders will develop the SMART learning objectives. The target audience includes 6 history teachers. Every teacher has a Chromebook and uses Google Apps for education on a daily basis. However, some teachers lack experience using touchscreen mobile devices, while the whole staff never worked with Google Apps on an iPad. Therefore, teachers' learning needs vary, as half have no or limited knowledge on the basic functions of using an iPad, such as where the power button is located. This is an issue because the teachers will exchange their Chromebook to an iPad, which will be their primary device in their class. The main instructional strategy implemented throughout the training is modeling, as the instructor will mirror a reflection of their iPad onto a smartboard, and teachers will also watch a series of tutorial videos during the training. Before training, teachers will read an article and describe 3 benefits of using iPads in their instructional practices. At the beginning of training, teachers will watch a tutorial video modeling the basic operations of an iPad, and they will set up their iPad. During training, teachers will watch a tutorial video on how to use Google Forms and then create a quiz using an iPad to demonstrate their ability to effectively deploy a one-to-one iPad program. By the end of training, teachers will be able to create and share a Google Form quiz with colleagues. After training, teachers will create and submit a one-to-one unit plan to the history department supervisor to demonstrate their basic understanding of one-to-one iPad deployment. The main instructional strategy implemented throughout the training is modeling, as the instructor will mirror a reflection of their iPad onto a smartboard, and teachers will also watch a series of tutorial videos during the training. The physical layout and technology capabilities of the training site allows the instructor to facilitate small group exercises and provides access. The instructor's materials and resources include tutorial videos, a training manual with an outline of content and task-based activities, and one iPad. The length of time dedicated to presenting content and task-based activities will vary. For example, the time dedicated to presenting content is between 15 and 30 minutes, while the time dedicated to activities is between 30 minutes and an hour. The evaluation methods used during the analysis phase includes a survey with questions regarding teachers' experience with using different technology. For example, the first question asks, do you own or ever used a touchscreen mobile device? To evaluate the effectiveness of implementation, the instructor will conduct a summative evaluation of training materials through a post-evaluation questionnaire. Two examples of the formative assessments include a self-peer evaluation and direct observation, as the teachers will hold group discussions while the instructor walks around the room to make sure teachers are participating. While the summative assessments include creating and sharing their quiz with the instructor via email and submitting a one-to-one unit plan to the history department supervisor to demonstrate their basic understanding of one-to-one iPad deployment.